To complete a purchase using a specific type of card, it's essential to follow the steps from start to finish to avoid missing any crucial information. Begin by selecting a product to buy from the website. Choosing something you actually intend to purchase with your card. For demonstration purposes, let's say you want to buy a TV, add it to your cart. Decline any insurance offers, and opt for home delivery. When proceeding to payment, you'll find options for credit, debit card, a specific card type, or a pay-per-use service. Since there isn't a direct option for your card type, select the credit, debit card option instead. You'll be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiry date, cardholder's name, and CVC, all of which can be found on your card. The expiry date is listed as valid through on the card. Fill in the required fields as you normally would for a debit card transaction and click Pay Now to complete the purchase. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully use your card to buy something online.